Can an 1100 horsepower electric car actually lose to a tuned BMW? Today, we've got an insane showdown between the Lucid Air Dream Performance and a tuned BMW M3, and the result, you won't believe it. Let's start with the BMW. This is a BMW M3 with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo straight-six engine. Stock power, 510 horsepower, but this one has been tuned by Tom Wrigley Performance. The result? 750 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. It also comes with xDrive, all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic gearbox, and launch control weight, 1.7 tons. Now, let's talk about the monster, Lucid Air Dream Performance, dual electric motors. Power, 1,111 horsepower. Torque, 1,390 Newton-meters. But weight, 2.4 tons. And the price, over £190,000. On paper, the Lucid should absolutely destroy the BMW. But in real life, drag races aren't always that simple. Go! The BMW launches hard. The Lucid hesitates a bit.
No way! Oh my God, that's ridiculous. I mean, this is bonkers. Right, was my...
And no way BMW wins the first race. How is that even possible? Simple. The Lucid's stability control, limited power, and the BMW had a perfect launch. Stability control off better launch from the Lucid this time, but it's super close. Final result, both cars 10.2 seconds, but BMW wins by a tiny margin.
Oh! Oh my God, come on! Now
From 30 miles per hour, the Lucid takes off. BMW tries to catch up, but it tops out at 168 miles per hour. Lucid wins easily.
Oh no, I've topped out at 168. Oh man, you completely...
Again, from 50 now, the difference is clear. The Lucid in the mid-range is insane. Lucid wins again.
Come on! Mouth like this. That Lucid is gapping me.
From 100 miles per hour, brake. The Lucid struggles more to stop. That heavy weight really shows. BMW wins the braking test. So, who actually wins? BMW, better launch, lighter, more engaging to drive. Lucid, massive power, crazy mid-range, acceleration, advanced tech. Final result, BMW wins the drag race. Lucid dominates at higher speeds, and this proves one thing. Power alone isn't everything. Balance is what really wins. If you want more insane races like this, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, Team BMW or Team Lucid?